For 4.5 billion years, the moon has been our silent companion. It pulls at our oceans, it steadies our planet's spin, it lights our nights and shapes the rhythm of life itself. But what if one day the moon flew away? No warning, no explosion, just gone. Would we survive? Or would Earth slowly begin to fall apart? What if the moon flew away? Let's imagine the unthinkable. One moment the moon is there, glowing above us. The next, it's racing into deep space. At first, nothing changes. The moon is nearly 400,000 kilometers away, so Earth doesn't feel its absence right away. But within hours, the first effects begin to show. Without the moon's gravity pulling at our seas, Earth's tides collapse to just a fraction of their strength. High tides and low tides still exist, but now they're only about 1/3 as strong, caused by the sun alone. Tidal ecosystems, salt marshes, mangroves, coral reefs begin to die. Countless species that depend on the rhythm of the tides would disappear forever. Without it, nights would be 50% darker. Owls, wolves, sea turtles, creatures evolved for moonlight, would struggle to find food, mates, and direction. Even humans, whose sleep cycles subtly sync to moonlight, might feel restless or out of rhythm. The world's nights would never feel the same again. But the moon doesn't just control the tides. It holds Earth itself steady. Our planet tilts at about 23.5 degrees. And that tilt gives us our seasons. Without the moon's gravitational anchor, Earth's axis would begin to wobble, slowly at first, then chaotically. Over millions of years, Earth's tilt could swing anywhere between 0 and 85 degrees. Imagine a world where Antarctica bakes under endless daylight, while the tropics freeze beneath polar night. Oceans would shift, deserts would move, rainforests would die, and bloom again in strange new places. It would be a planet of climate chaos. And humanity? We'd be fighting for survival in an unpredictable world. Right now, the moon's gravity acts like a brake on our planet. As its pull drags on Earth's oceans, it creates friction that slows our rotation. When dinosaurs walked the Earth, a day lasted just 23 hours. The moon has been lengthening our days by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. But if the moon left, that process would stop. Earth might even start spinning faster again. Days would shorten, maybe by minutes or hours over millions of years. It doesn't sound like much, but it would throw off biological rhythms, weather cycles, and even the synchronization of global systems. The heartbeat of the planet would literally change its tempo. And beyond science, we'd lose something deeper. The moon has always been more than rock and dust. It's our reflection, our cosmic mirror. No more eclipses painting the sky red. No more silver light over quiet oceans. No more symbol of love, madness, and mystery. For tens of thousands of years, the moon shaped our calendars, our art, our stories. We told tales of gods, wolves, and lovers chasing its light. If it vanished, our nights would feel hollow, our myths incomplete. So, could humanity survive a world without the moon? Yes, at least for a while. Civilization would adapt. We'd build tidal energy systems powered by machines instead of gravity. Artificial lighting would fill the void of moonlight. But the long-term story is darker. As Earth's tilt drifted, we'd face unpredictable ice ages and scorching eras. Some regions would become uninhabitable. Others might turn into new oases. Life would endure, but not the same life we know today. Future humans might look up at the dark sky and see no familiar face staring back, only stars. The moon isn't just decoration in our sky, it's a guardian, a silent hand that steadies our world. Without it, Earth would still spin, but it would be lonelier, darker, and far less stable. So next time you see the moon rising, take a moment to appreciate it, because without it, our world would be a very different place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, keep your mind inquiring.